In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in VT Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account on myaccount.vtmarkets.com. And of course, you must have a live account to be able to do this, and you must have it verified to a certain degree. Here, you then want to click on Deposit up top, and it's going to take you to this Funds and then Deposit Funds page. And in here, you first have to select what you would like to basically deposit. So over here, it's USD, and you want to type in how much. I'm going to do, let's say, 100. And if you have a deposit voucher, you can put it in here, but I don't, so I'm not going to do this. And then you want to press continue. It's going to take you to the next step, which is basically going to require you, as you'll be able to see, there we go, to select your deposit method. So you can do either a card, crypto, e-wallet, offline transaction. So there's going to be a bunch of different things you can basically do. Just select the one that suits you best. So for example, we're going to do a card right now. I'm going to click on that. There we go. But of course, if you click on something else, that's fine as well. And you can then click on continue down here. It's going to take you to a separate page where you can basically put in your details, click on Pay Now, and then you've successfully deposited your funds or money onto VT Markets. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.